Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Rati's English class where we learn to read and write in English. I hope you are all well and ready to join the lesson. Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's talk about the class rules. Rule number 1, you need to be on time to attend your lesson. You need to make your timetable, like every day you need to learn English. Okay, number 2, you need to sit in a good position, and if you are sitting on the mat, you need to sit like this one, and if you are sitting on the chair, I want you to sit like this. Okay, have your pencil, your crayon, and your notebook because we are going to write. And you need to listen to Miss Rati. No more shouting and playing with your friends. You need to be serious. All right, you need to be very attentive. Okay, so let's see our learning objectives for this session. Okay, we are going to revise the letter sounds d, g, o, k, k, k. Then to read and write words with the letter sounds learned, and we are going to do something new. We are going to write the initial sounds. Okay, now let's revise our phonics, our letter sounds. Okay, do you still remember this one? What is the sound for this? Very good. K. And this one? Yes, the same. K. The next one, can you do? K. Yes. And this one? Louder, please. Yes. Oh. And do you still remember this one? G. Okay. And this one? And the last one? D. So you can pause the video and do again the letter sounds of these letters. Okay, pause the video and practice one more time. When you are done, we are going to revise our words. We are going to read the words, and we have got so many words because we are going to revise all the words with the letter sound that we have done so far. Okay, so in our reading and writing activities, we only focus on the letter sounds that we have done before. Okay, so you need to keep on revising, visit all the sessions that we did from lesson 1 until now. You need to keep on revising your letter sounds. Okay, now can you say the letter sound of this one, and this one, and this one? Again. What is the word? K, a, p. What is the word? K, a, p. Cap. Okay. And this one, can you say the sound? Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay, one more time. Can you say the sound? Yes. This one. Very good. Well done. So what is the word? Look at the picture. Okay, let's do together. K, a, n. K, a, n. Can. Very good. Nice one. The next one. Now you know this one, right? Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. One more time. Yes. Okay. So let's do together with Miss Rati. K, a, t. Cat. K, a, t. Cat. Let's do this one. Okay. Let's do together. K o t, cot. K o t, cot. So you can stop the video and practice one more time. Okay. Now can you say the sound of this one? And this one? And this one? Very good. Beautiful. Again. Yes. Very good. Now let's do with Miss Rati. K, E, T, kit. K, E, T, kit. Okay. This one? Yes. Yes. Good. One more time. Can you say it louder? Yes. Yes. Very good. Now let's do together. K, E, D. Kid. K, E, D. Kid. Okay, pause the video and do one more time. Well done. We have got so many words. All right. Yes. Again. All right, let's do together. S, a, k, suck. S, a, k, suck. And this one? Yes. One more time. Very good. What is the word? What is the word? Let's do together. S, o, k, suck. S, o, k, suck. Very good. You can pause the video and do one more time. All right, can you do this one? Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay, let's do together. T, E, k, tick. T, E, k, tick. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Say it louder. Yes. Very good. Let's do together. K, E, k, kick. K, E, k, kick. Nice. All right. Let's do this one. Yes. Yes. Very good. What is the word? Okay, again, can you do it again for Miss Rati? What is the word? Okay, let's do together. D, E, G, dig. D, E, G, dig. Okay. Can you say this one? What is the sound for this letter? And this one? What is the word? Okay. Yes. What is the word? Let's do together. O, n, on. O, n, on. All right. Next one. Can you say the letter sound? Yes. And this one? Yes. And this one? What is the word? Okay. 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 What is the word? Let's do together. O, t, pot. P, O, t, pot. Okay. Next one. What is the sound for this one? Yes. Yes. What is the word? Okay, can you say the sound? Yes. Yes. So what is the word? Now let's do together. T, O P. Top. T O P. Top. Very good. Let's move on. If you need more reading practice, you can pause the video and try to do one more time. It's still fine. Okay. Now, can you say the letter sound of this one, and this one, and this one? So, what is our word? One more time. Yes. Very good. Very good. What is the word? M-O-P. Mop. M-O-P. Mop. Very good. Next one. Yes, what is the word? Say again the letter sound. Yes, let's do together. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Very good. Nice. All right, we are moving very fast. Okay, can you say the letter sound of this one? Yes. Yes, what is the word? Yes. Good. G-A-S. Gas. G-A-S. Gas. Okay, next one, can you say the word, the letter sound? Okay, and this one? Yes, very good. One more time, can you say the letter sounds louder this time? Okay, now let's do with Miss Ratty. G-A-P. Gap. G-A-P. Gap. Nice one, nice one. Let's go to the next. All right, can you say the letter sound? One more time, say the letter sound. Yes, yes. Now let's do with Miss Ratty. M-A-P. Map. Okay? M-A-P. Map. Very good. Say the letter sound. Yes. Very good. Very good. Nice. One more time. Can you say the letter sound? You are doing very, very well. I'm so happy. Now let's do with Miss Ratty. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Very good. Very good. The last one. Can you say the letter sound? Okay. Can you say it again? So what is the word? Very good. Let's do with Miss Ratty. S-A-D. S-A-D. Sad. Okay? Don't say sa for this one. It's s-a-d. Sad. Okay? Now, this one, can you say the sound? Yes. Yes, very good. One more time. Yes. Let's do with Miss Ratty. D-A-D. Dad. D-A-D. Dad. Yes. Dad, where is your dad? Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on to the next task. What is our next activity? We are going to write. We are going to write. Okay, get your notebook. Open your notebook, open your notebook. I want you to pause the video and copy these letters in your notebook, okay? No worksheets today. I want you to write. Independent handwriting practice. Can you write the letter M, uppercase and lowercase? Now I want you to write D, 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 uppercase and lowercase. And remember to put your finger space when you are writing your letters, okay? And let them sit on the lines. And the next one, capital G and lowercase G. Capital O and lowercase O. Write on the lines, then capital K and lowercase K. Uppercase is the same as capital, okay? In some places they call it capital letter, and in other places they say uppercase letters, okay? So here uppercase K and lowercase K. And for this K, it's only lowercase, okay? Lowercase. Now I want you to pause the video and do your independent handwriting practice. Make sure you write nicely and correctly. I want to see correct letter formation, okay? When you are done, I want you to come to this activity. So our focus is to write the initial sound. What is the initial sound? It is the beginning sound. When you say a word, the first sound that you make is the initial sound, is the beginning sound that you are going to write on these pictures. So for this one, what is this? Can you think? What is this? What is this? Can you tell me? Yes, it is a kit. First aid kit. Kit. So our first sound, our initial sound, our beginning sound is the letter K, K, K. But which letter K? Is it K for kite or K for cat? I want you to think about it and try it. Now the next picture, what you can do in your notebook is draw the pictures. So pause the video, draw the pictures, and then when you are done drawing your pictures, then you write the initial sound. Okay, so this one is a what? Very good. I heard you saying mat. So what is the initial sound? What is the beginning sound of the word mat? Can you hear me? Mat. So the initial sound is Can you write mat? Okay. The next picture, what is this? Very good. I heard you saying cap. Okay. So listen to the word cap. Cap. What is the beginning sound? K, k, k. So I want you to write the letter K, K, K. But you need to think which K, K. Is it K for kite or K for cat? Okay? Now this one is so easy. What is this one? Gas. G, g, gas. G, 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 gas. So you need to write the letter G, G, G. And when we write initial sounds, if it's not a name of anything, we write lowercase. Okay, G, G, gas. Okay, and this one, oh, common. Everybody knows this one. What is this one? Can you just tell me? Very good. This is a dog. Now listen to the word dog. Dog. What is the beginning sound? What is our initial sound? What is the first sound of the word dog? Can you listen to me? Dog, 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 d, 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 dog. So our initial sound is d, d, dog. So you need to write d, d here. Now, this one, cat. It's easy now. You need to write k, k, cat. And what is this word? I like to eat oranges. Can you hear? Oranges. Oranges. Oh, so what is the beginning sound? What is the first sound in the word oranges? O. Initial sound is O. Oranges. O. So here you need to write the letter O. You can pause the video and do your writing activity. You color your drawings and make them very, very beautiful. Okay, remember to use as many colors as possible as you can. And then when you are done, I want you to come and do your self-assessment. Let's check the answers. Can you see here? Okay, did you write like that? Did you write like that? Let's check. What is here? What is here? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What did you do? Okay. Did you write like this? Okay. If you did, then well done, well done. If not, don't worry. Make your corrections now. Pause the video and do your corrections and keep on revising this one, okay? So that you know the initial sounds, okay? Very good. Now, Miss Rat is going to say, great, 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 great job. Well done. And also, thank you for joining this lesson. It was great to have you in this lesson, and don't forget to keep on revising, keep on practicing to read and write in English. I want you to be an outstanding student, okay? I want you to be a number one, so keep on practicing. Keep on revising our lessons from lesson 1 until this lesson. You need to keep on practicing because practice makes things perfect. Okay. All right. So thank you so much. Don't forget to click the like button, please, and also to click the subscribe icon so that when I post another new lesson, you get a notification. Thank you so much, and see you in our next lesson. Bye.